Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can design your e-commerce product photo shoot in seconds, and it's completely free. Yes, I will show you a step-by-step tutorials how you can design your e-commerce any kind of product, and you can design stunning photo shoots, and it's completely free as I said. So if you have any drop shipping business or any e-commerce business, so maybe you have to spend thousands of dollars for image photo shoot or video photo shoot, whatever it is. And as an entrepreneur and beginner, so you can save your time and also money. So it's called Flare, Flair.ai. You can search on Google and you will see this website. And don't worry, you don't have to spend any money. You can do free. So here you can see still live. This is the sample of products, furnitures, and also food section. Not only food furniture, you will get lots of ideas and you can use this kind of templates. Okay, just you can upload your raw footage, whatever it could be, your dark background, no problem. It will also remove the background and it will create very fantastic and stunning high quality images for your business. And I think if you use this kind of tools, so you can save your time and money, and also you can more invest other things like Facebook ads or different kind of ads. So before jump into the video, so do you a favor, so if you love my content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notification when I upload different kind of videos. First of all, let's check the pricing section because it's really important. So how much we can produce as a free. So you can see the free $0 forever and your current plan and up to 100 designs per month. So it's really amazing, and up to 10 projects, and per month only $10 you can get pro, and it's amazing features I think. So let's jump into the process how we can do this. Okay, first of all, you can click on login and you can start it with your Gmail account and also your email address. And another option is get started for free. Click on that and I will log in with my Gmail account. So let's click on the Gmail account. Okay, select continue and I think it will come up the dashboard. Okay, perfect. So right now I'm in Flare.ai dashboard. Okay, so in the right sidebar you can see the tutorials. Okay, so you can skip the tutorials and here you can see the create a new project. All right, so you can create 10 projects per month. It's completely free and 100 images. All right, so let's create new project. Okay, so sign in and also here you can see the place your product here and generated images will be appear here. So we have nothing here, so I will upload my product assets and the generate section and elements. Okay, and generate photo shoot, and this is the product on a rock surrounding by trees with front of canyon. And so sign in and try so you can understand better. So here you can see the templates. It's really amazing. So if you click like this one, so it's a surrounding your white flowers and shadows. So also you can change the each and every part like on a rock. So click on that, so you can change from on a rock, you can type whatever you want. Also surrounding trees, you can remove surrounding with next to. Okay, and also background a canyon and river also you can change from there. Okay, no problem. Bird's eyes view. All right, so let's check the asset and let's see, this is our product. So click on that, it's a perfume and those are the by default, so you can upload. So I will show you my own product. So let's click on generate, and this is the perfume bottle and paper cup and whiskey bottle surrounded by white flower and the shadow bird on eyes. So you can select the template, also you can edit. That's mean you can also change the product and also the surrounding, also the number of results and image replace with this kind of. So let's click on generate and the generate picture, and progress is 70, 80%, 82%, 83%, and it takes some times. So this is the, so I think it's not look good, so let's click on this and click on regenerate. Okay, so this is the picture, and I think it will come up with a perfume bottle surrounding by smoke in front of dark black background. Perfect. Okay, so let's wait. Finally, this is the generated image, and it's really great. I'm really amazed that it's smoky. Okay, fantastic. Also, you can add different kind of elements. Okay, so click on that, and you can add also, it's a fun. Okay, so this is how you can generate different kind of product. But if you have your own product, how you can do this? So let's open, so let's click on asset section, and you will see the upload product photo. Okay, all right, so let's upload our product. So I just downloaded a GoPro Hero 10 camera, action camera. Also, you can remove the background. Okay, so here you can see the pop-up action, so you can remove background or you can skip. Okay, so continue. All right, so it will come up here, and you can drag and drop, and you can also increase the size. Perfect, you can also increase the size, and just measurement is perfect. All right, and click on editor. Also, you can product a GoPro camera surrounded by a smoke. That was our first templates, but I'm going to change the template section, and I'm going to select, okay, this one. Okay, a GoPro camera emerging from sparkling reflector in front of dark cloudy skies, and click on generate and progress, and it will changes all the surrounding things, and it will generate the new picture, and I think it would be great. So if you have any e-commerce product like clothing, baby products, on girls item or gents, so you can upload and you can generate the image whatever you like. Also, you can generate your own from clicking the editor, and you can change the all the text. I think you can understand, and if you try first, so once you try, so you can better understand. Okay, so here you can see our generated picture. It's amazing. All right, so if we want to download this picture, how we can download this picture? Okay, so let's click on edit section. Here you can see the download button, also PNG, JPG, whatever you like. So just download the image. Okay, and it will download it in your desktop or computer. Already the image is downloaded, so let's open the download file. All right, so let's open the images. How nice and how clean, and look at the resolution. It's really fantastic. So I think if you have any kind of e-commerce product, so you can upload. So is there any bulk upload? So it would be great. Also, you can use as your own templates. Also, you can edit it, and you can change as you want, color, render, outline, different kind of things. Okay, so this is one of the easiest AI tools I have ever got, that the Flare.ai for your e-commerce product photo shoot. So you can try once. So I think the best practice is if you try once, so you can understand and you can do your own. So you don't need to hire someone who can do a photo shoot for your product. So you can do your own, and it's 100% free now. So for 10 products, so you can also purchase their premium session. That's been $10 per month. Okay, so I think this video gonna help you a lot if you are a business owner or dropshipper or e-commerce business owner. So if you love this content, please give a thumbs up and comment below if you want to watch more videos like this. So I will come back with another video. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.